He's a baby. Baby. Yeah, you're a baby. You're an oatmeal face baby. Night, night, night. Say your new word. Happy. Happy. Say happy. Happy. Annie, happy.
Annie, happy.
Kiss. Oh no. Oh no. Annie, happy. Annie, snorter. That's really inappropriate. This part of the vlog has me just dying. It's so funny to me. My sense of humor is kind of bad, but to me this is so funny. I said it's what? Yeah, all your food is gone. You ate it all. I realize that's probably only funny to me. And yeah, it's almost 4 a.m. and I haven't been asleep, but that's okay. I'm getting stuff done, right? Yeah. I don't even know if I'm speaking correctly. I think I skipped a word there. Oh, yes. Hey, kitty. You ready to get up, baby? Yes.
We're gonna change a diaper. We're gonna change a diaper. We're gonna change a diaper. I got the diaper. I got the diaper.
I got what you want right there. Yep, that's a good stuff. You did a good job. You didn't pee your pants yet. Yeah, I'm very happy. Which do you want more? What? Are people going to work because it's 6 o'clock in the morning? The first baba of the day. Hi, kitty. Do you think that you really need a bath? Yeah, we're gonna take a bath. We're gonna take a bath. Kitty, oh my god, the water's on. I gotta get in here. Gotta get in there. Oh my goodness. Gotta taste the water. Gotta taste it. Kitty, you're silly. Rafael, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat it. No. No, it's not delicious. That's soap. Oh my goodness. Kitty, are you thirsty? You want some tea? We're gonna use this soap. Mango butter. Rafael, no. I know, it smells really good. Such a doofus. Well, she's gonna fall in there. Kitty! Kitty being silly! In the country, that's what we like to call a pothead. Heh heh heh. Still got your diaper on. Yeah, just gonna relax. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, socks?
Chubby.
He literally is Baby Einstein. Raphael, Raphael, run away, run away. Woohoo! You wanna get your socks on? Socks, not eggs. Socks.
Daddy.
Daddy's not here yet. Hello, you want me to call him? You want me to call him? You want me to call Daddy? Say, Daddy, Daddy, come home right away. Come home right away, Daddy. A little balance. Up.
Up.
Yeah, you're up. He's been confusing up for down. He's talking on the phone. Hello, hello. Here, let me talk on. Hello, Rafael. Come home. Come home. It's time for dinner. Time for dinner. We're having chicken. Bye. Hello. Yeah, we're gonna have some chicken to eat. You want me to tell you? Oh, Hadar was supposed to come home, and he's like, "Hey, I'm coming home." And then a little while ago, he's like, "Hey, they have a surprise exercise at base." Oh, I probably got my makeup all messed up, my hair's all done, but I have not slept yet. So, awesome! But anyway, he was supposed to come home. He didn't. Got my hopes up, then shattered them. Hello, can I talk to Rafael? Rafael, come home for dinner. Oh, your cell phone's in your mouth. Cell phones are gonna be like credit cards one day. Okay. I just went in the bedroom because I was having a hard time breathing. I went in there to get my Ventolin. I stood there and I was like out of breath. I was like, and I was like, what'd I come in here for? And I literally stood in there for like 2 minutes. Are you copying me? Black rice pasta with veggies, and he's about done with that, and chicken. I wish that I could eat that because it really is good. Put it back in. Hey, snorter. Were you snorting? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, bless you. Oh, no. Excuse you, you cuteness. Yay! Mama, can you say Eddie for Uncle Eddie? Yeah, but can you say Uncle Eddie? Thank you. Can you say Eddie? Good job. Can you say Eddie? Grandma? Oh, you being cute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rafael, be cute for Grandma. Yeah, that's cute. Hey, don't drop that spoon. Don't drop that spoon. Thank you. Good job. Rafael. That's kitty, that's chicken. That's not kitty. Oh, I'm so out of diapers. Have to give the baby another bath. I have to wash diapers. And then I'm going to sleep like at 7. Annie, go night-night.
Come.
Yep, see you tomorrow. So, Hadar didn't come home tonight, but I had a feeling I wasn't going to be alone. I guess you beat a blank. Quit tearing my bed up. Hadar messed her bow up, and I don't know how to tie. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
He's knocked out.
I just ate some cheese, the mosquito in his tent. Why won't you kiss me? Generally, very nice people. It's just the culture.